What's good, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons of AO Designs, and I'm back. It's been about 5 months, 5 long months. I'm back with my next video. Give you guys a quick update what I've been doing. Unfortunately, good old Corvette got totaled. I'll put some pictures in there so you can see, but the Corvette got totaled. It's a long story. I might get into it later, but Corvette's gone. But before I left Washington to come down to San Diego for work, I started this project here. The kick panels you'll see on my Instagram. I'll throw some pictures of those in there too, but this is for a 1964 Impala. It's getting shipped over to Arizona for a really kick-ass dude named Phil. Sorry, Phil, it's been taking a while. Thank you for your patience, but I'm back. I'm getting in the groove. So let's show you what I got. We have this rear deck with 4 6x9s that go back here. I'm gonna get all this sanded and painted black so, you know, kind of blend in. These acrylic pieces are gonna go on top, painted, and then have some red lights go on, and then it'll have also a black grill that will come in there, black grill insert, also with aluminum finish. So stay tuned for pictures of this. I'm back. Sorry it's been a while, but we're gonna do some more videos here, some more content, maybe do some Thanksgiving things, and I have a whole bunch of projects coming in 2024, as well as a few more here in San Diego. So stay with your boy. Sorry it's been a while. I'll make it worth your while. Man, it is raining in San Diego, so stay tuned. Let's go. All right, you guys, here we are, still working on that 64 rear tray. Say hi to Roscoe. That's my roommate's dog here in San Diego. He chill. Anyway, I'm working on these aluminum rings. As you can see, I got my template, my wooden template. And what I do, so I make sure, this stuff is real dangerous to cut out. And what I do, I got to cut out the second one. But when you cut these out, I put the tape on the template, and then I glue. I CA glue. Got my CA glue. CA glue the aluminum to the tape. That way I know it ain't going nowhere. I got a real thick 2 layers here, so that way my fingers don't come into play. But let me router these out, and we'll have these trim plates, trim inserts of aluminum that will go on top of that acrylic for the rear deck. I'm getting there. We're getting close. I think we're gonna make this video fairly long. We'll do some Thanksgiving specials. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. It's about 2 days, so I'll do a little Thanksgiving thing. I gotta go home for Thanksgiving, come back, and might throw some other fun surprises in there for you on my trip back home. So let's get this going. Phil, they're coming out good. Can't wait till you get these in your car, and you'll be cruising soon enough. And we'll work on your center console here in a sec. So let's go. And there we have it, y'all. The aluminum rings are routed out. They are glued to the acrylic ring that I made, and they fit perfect. So now I will start the process of doing the mesh grill that sits in each one of these. So I have to make a box so I can do a press grill. I'll show pictures and videos of that. That'd be the next step. And then get this all tightened up, cleaned up in here, painted, and get it looking good. And we'll be on our way. Also, I'm gonna sand these down a little bit with a little bit more fine sandpaper, so it should give a little shine to it, so it looks real good, get the scratches out of there. But overall, I'm happy, starting to come along. After this, we'll do the center console, which will be the finale for the 64 Arizona Impala. So please stay tuned. AO Designs, me and Roscoe, chilling. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? So I'm back at it again, working on that 64 Impala rear tray. So far, I got those aluminum inserts all ready to go. Now we are working on the grill that is going to be going in. As you can see here, I have my little box made to do this press grill. I do not have a hydraulic press, so I'm going to have to drill holes. I drilled holes in here all around, and these holes I'll have some bolts go through, and then I'll just tighten it, each one, until I get it all the way flush. And as you can see, here's my little layout. So you'll have your mesh grill and then your inserts here, and hopefully once I tighten all that in, we'll get a nice press grill in here to give it some dimension. So stay tuned for the final product. We're gonna take a break at some point and have a good Thanksgiving, and I have a little surprise outing coming up that I'll throw on here as well. And then come Monday, we will ship this off for you, Phil, after the holidays. Sorry it's taking so long again, but hey, this thing's gonna be sweet, and you will definitely enjoy it in good old Arizona. So stay tuned. Thanksgiving edition, AL Designs. Check it. All right, YouTube, AL Designs, Anthony Lyons. Again, I'm taking a break from the 64 Impala, taking a Thanksgiving break, heading home from San Diego. My boy James, say hi, James. That's my roommate, Roscoe's daddy. Remember y'all saw the dog. Well, let's get on this airplane, headed back to Seattle. We're going to have a good Thanksgiving. I hope everyone else out there has one. And I got a surprise for y'all. I got a layover. You'll find out where it is in a second. So let's get to this airport. Stay tuned. Let's go. What up, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs. Just got off the plane day before Thanksgiving, and I am in good old Las Vegas. It's my little pit stop before I go home for the holidays and back to San Diego. So I'm gonna get me some breakfast, check out the scenery. It's early. Get you guys some footage and content of good old Las Vegas, and some good old turkey dinners this weekend. So let's go. Let's have some fun. I'm out. All right, y'all, so far so good in Vegas. Put $100 in, came out with $350. Now I'm just gonna figure out another machine. Gotta get off of that one, move on to the next, see what I can do. All right, let's go. good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons back at it again. AO Designs. I'm back from Vegas. Little long layover before I get back to San Diego. As you can see from the last parts of the video, I had a good Thanksgiving. Now it's time to try to win some money before I go back to San Diego and finish Phil's panel. Just a small break before I get back to work. Look at that sphere, it's pretty dope. So I leave tomorrow around 2, and let's see how much money we can make. AL Designs, let's go. What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs. I am back. Finish up Phil's panel. Back from Vegas, back from Thanksgiving dinner in Washington, back in San Diego. Didn't get a lot of footage of Vegas because, to be honest, I lost so much money. I ain't going back there. But anyway, let's get these going. Gonna sand these, get them a little bit more smooth and shiny. The aluminum rings. I already cut out the mesh grills. We'll glue those in there, put some lights in this bad boy, and get it sent off to Phil. So stay with me. This is almost over. You'll see the final product, and then we'll move on to the center console that I have to build for Phil's 64 Impala. So stay tuned. Let's go. And there we have it, YouTube. The tray is all finished, getting ready to get all shipped out to Phil in Arizona. Whew. Took me a bit, but I got it. Aluminum rings all done, grills all done. Just have to stick some lights in there. I'll show some pictures of what it looks like with the lights on. But hey, Roscoe, I did it. Right, Roscoe? Remember, this was Thanksgiving edition. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Happy holidays with Christmas coming around the corner. Stay tuned for the next episode where I will now build the last piece of the puzzle, which is the center console. I already sent off the kick panels and he will be all set. All right, stay tuned. More to come from AL Designs.